group it, view it, control it. Let's explore how to organize your stock smartly with groups in the inventory page on IntoAEC. Start by clicking the Create Group button at the top of your inventory page. This opens a simple pop-up for you to define your group. Give your group a clear and specific name, something like Concrete Supplies, Project 3. Once done, hit Create to confirm. Your new group now appears as a card on the inventory page. It shows the group name, item count, and total value, all in one glance. Looking for something specific? Use the search bar to find your group instantly. To delete a group, make sure it's empty first. Trying to delete a group with items will show an error. Remove all items, then delete it smoothly. Simple, efficient, and control. That's how you manage your inventory with groups in IntoAEC.